So, hello everyone, my name is Rohit. So basically what happened on 21st of March, there was a mega placement drive which was held by MC Talent Hunt in our city at Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar Marathwada University. So the process of MC Talent Hunt of selecting candidates was quite smooth and very good. So basically they had conducted 3 rounds which include group discussions. Again, second round is personal interview and third is HR round. So after that, after giving all these 3 rounds, I got selected in one good company which is located in Mumbai. So after that placement drive, I get call from that company. They also take my 2 interviews. So after 2 interviews, I got selected in that company. And I want to thank to MC Talent and for giving support throughout this process, interview process and all. So I would like to thank whole MC Talent team and organizing committee. And I will highly recommend you to go to MC Talent and if you want to do good career in information technology field. Thank you.